I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Morningstar AOPG. First, understand that Morningstar AOPG, or Advisor Office Professional Global, is a powerful suite designed for financial professionals. It provides in-depth research, robust portfolio analysis, and comprehensive reporting capabilities. This tool helps advisors streamline their workflow and deliver enhanced value to their clients, making it an essential asset for modern financial practices. To access Morningstar AOPG, your next step is to visit the official Morningstar website. Once there, look for the dedicated section for financial advisors, which typically highlights their professional solutions. You will find information about AOPG and the option to request a free demonstration. This demo is crucial for understanding how the platform can specifically benefit your advisory practice before committing. After your demonstration, the next step is to contact Morningstar's sales team directly. They will guide you through the various subscription plans available, helping you select the one that best fits your firm's size and specific requirements. Once your subscription is confirmed, their support team will assist you with the setup process, ensuring a smooth integration into your existing operations and getting you started quickly. To truly maximize your Morningstar AOPG experience, take advantage of their extensive training resources and webinars. These tools are designed to help you master all the platform's features and functionalities. Also, remember to reach out to their dedicated client support team whenever you need technical assistance or have questions. And hey, for other great deals and to check out that Owala water bottle, make sure to look in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.